You are a new user on Reddit and you want to post something but you don't know the process, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to post on Reddit. Make sure you are connected to internet and you have already logged into a Reddit account. Now let's jump into the process. Open your Reddit app, here we go. At the bottom you can see this plus icon, tap on it. Now here at the bottom you can see different options as text, links, image, video and so on. You can post anything you want to. Here I will be choosing this option image. Here I will be selecting some pictures. After you are done, tap on next. Now you can give a title, tap on it. After you are done, tap on next. Now here you can select the community or also you can search for a community. You can add flair. After you are done, tap on post, which is given at the top right corner. You can see this view option, tap on it. You can see that I have posted some images in my Reddit account. In this way, you can also post images, videos, polls, and many more in your Reddit account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to post on Reddit. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment down below what you guys gonna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.